shredded sweet potato with just a drizzle of maple syrup. That's it. Pretty tasty. I think these are jewel sweet potatoes. And I just spiralized them. Steamed them in the microwave for 4 minutes. And we're good to go. Pretty tasty. I think the next time though I'll peel the potato instead. But they come out awesome.